What exactly is Apache Camel? Modern applications rarely live in isolation. They often need to integrate with APIs, connect to databases, consume queues, Kafka, RabbitMQ, process files, transform messages, communicate between microservices. Doing this manually becomes complex quickly. That's where Apache Camel comes in. A common interview and architecture question is, what exactly is Apache Camel? This topic explains what Apache Camel is, integration problems it solves, core concepts, routes, endpoints, processors, how Camel works internally, enterprise integration patterns, EIP, real-world use cases, Spring Boot integration, advantages and limitations. This is a key backend integration and microservices topic. What is Apache Camel? Apache Camel is an open-source integration framework. It helps developers connect systems, move data between applications, transform messages, orchestrate workflows using a simple, consistent API. Simple definition: Apache Camel, a framework that provides a rule-based routing and mediation engine to integrate different systems. The core problem it solves: in real systems, you often have ... App A means REST API means DB. App B means Kafka means service. App C means file system means cloud storage. Without Camel, check. Lots of custom integration code, repeated logic, complex error handling, inconsistent patterns. Apache Camel solution. Camel provides check. Unified integration model, check. Reusable components, declarative routing, check. Enterprise patterns. Core idea: Camel follows routing plus transformation plus integration. Think of it as source means route, means transformation, means destination. A route defines how messages move from one system to another. Example: from file input to file output. This means, read file from input folder, send it to output folder. Key concept: endpoint. Endpoints are integration points. Examples: type example file, file input, HTTP, HTTP, API. Kafka, topic, JMS, queue. Key concept: processor. Processor allows custom logic. Process exchange M. String body equals exchange.getIn, getBody, string class. Exchange.getIn.setBody, body.toUppercase. Used for check. Transformation, check. Validation, check. Enrichment. Key concept: exchange. An exchange represents message being processed. It contains cock, body, cock, headers, cock, properties. Example: camel route from file input, .log processing file, to file output. Flow: input folder. Camel route, output folder, enterprise integration patterns, EIP. Camel is built on ... enterprise integration patterns. Enterprise integration patterns. These patterns define standard solutions for routing, filtering, splitting, aggregating, transforming. Example patterns in Camel: 1. Content-based router. Route based on message content. Choice. When simple, body contains error, to log error. Otherwise, to log info. Split messages into parts. Split body. To Kafka topic. 3. Aggregator. Combine messages. Used for batch processing. How Apache Camel works internally. Step-by-step flow. 1. Message enters endpoint. 2. Camel creates exchange. 3. Route is evaluated. 4. Processors execute logic. 5. Message sent to destination. Camel architecture components. Component means endpoint means route, means processor means endpoint. Why Apache Camel exists. Before Camel, every integration was custom code. tightly coupled systems, hard to maintain. Camel introduced usable integration framework, standard patterns, declarative routing. Real-world use cases. 1. Microservices integration. Connect services via REST messaging queues. 2. File processing systems. CAC. Read CSV files, transform data, store in database. 3. Banking systems, transaction routing, fraud detection pipelines. 4. Event-driven systems. Kafka consumers, event transformation. Apache Camel with Spring Boot. Camel integrates well with Spring Boot. Example: component, public class, myRoute, extends route builder. Override, public void, configure. From, timer, foo. Log, hello camel. Why developers use Camel. Reduces boilerplate code, simplifies integration logic, supports many protocols, reusable components, production-ready patterns. Camel components. Camel supports 300+ components. Category examples: messaging, Kafka, JMS, Cloud, AWS, Azure, Web, HTTP, REST, Files, FTP, SFTP, Databases, JDBC. Advantages of Apache Camel. Question: powerful integration engine, supports many systems, reusable routing logic, clean architecture, enterprise grade. Limitations: learning curve for beginners, complex debugging in large routes, overhead for simple applications. When to use Apache Camel. Use it when, integrating multiple systems, building enterprise workflows, handling complex routing logic, working with microservices and messaging. When not to use Camel. Avoid when MEX, simple CRUD applications, MEX, small microservices, minimal integration needs. Common beginner confusion. Is Camel a messaging system? X. No. It is an integration framework. It uses messaging systems like Kafka, RabbitMQ, but does not replace them. Simple definition: Apache Camel, a Java-based integration framework that connects different systems using routing rules and enterprise patterns. Final summary: Apache Camel is used to integrate systems, route messages, transform data, implement enterprise patterns. It provides case routes, case processors, case endpoints, case integration components. Key idea: Camel is a powerful integration framework that simplifies communication between different systems using standardized routing rules.